Hey Toronto, here's the common scenario. You're experiencing a plumbing problem that needs fixing today. You Google same-day Toronto plumbers near me and get met with tons of results. Great. You call each company and get met with, "I'm sorry, we have no available bookings." Again, and again, and again. So, what do? The solution is easy. Call the licensed and insured experts at John the Plumber, the only choice in Toronto for fast, reliable, and friendly plumbing and drain cleaning services that offer same-day, after-hours, and 24/7 emergency plumbing services in Ontario's capital. Need a drain unblocked? We have high-tech cameras that can capture the damage, block, or tree root infestation and remove the problem fast with either a hydrojetter or chain knocker, all in the same day. Need a new bathroom or kitchen renovation, new faucets or valves? We provide long-lasting and high-quality plumbing solutions that are tailored to your needs, all with a friendly smile and fast service. Need bigger jobs done like sump pump installations, backwater valve installations, hot water tank replacements, or sewer line replacements? Our team has all the required tools and equipment to get the job done today. We will provide you with a 3-hour time of arrival and we'll call you when we're on our way. When we arrive, we will provide you with a detailed and transparent quote for the job. If you choose us to do the work, we waive your quote fee. After the quote is approved, we'll get started on the work right away so that you can get back to enjoying the comfort of your home. From booking the appointment to finishing the job, you can expect John the Plumber to get it done in the same day. With a team of licensed, insured, and friendly plumbers, a 2-year warranty on all of our work, same-day and emergency plumbing services, loyalty rewards program, and thousands of 5-star reviews and positive testimonials, it's no wonder why so many people are already choosing John the Plumber for their residential and commercial plumbing needs. From Etobicoke to North York, from Mississauga to Scarborough, we're the same-day plumbers Toronto homeowners and business owners rely on, 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. So, why wait for plumbing service next week when you can get it today with John the Plumber? Call us at 647-689-6878 or book online at johntheplumber.ca/Toronto-plumber.